Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out these dishes. So come on, let's go show you guys what they look like and how they perform. Alright guys, so this is the box they come in. So as we can see, they are down inside here. So guys, beautiful set of 4 plates. Really cool design. And on the back, they are made of porcelain. So dishwasher safe, food safe, freezer looks like safe, freezer or fridge, oven safe, microwavable safe. That's pretty awesome, guys. All right, let's load it up in our dishwasher. No problem. Microwavable safe, no problem at all as well. So guys, whatever you need these plates for, they're really nice and they look nice and they perform great, and they're large so you can put a lot of food, especially 2 bagels, you know, cut in half. We got really nice sized bagels. If we wanted to, we could put another bagel in here. That's how big they are. Very nice.